Wednesday, the 18th of March, 2026. We've just gotten off of I-85 North. We're on South Carolina Highway 24. We're turning left going south. We're on our way to the Modoc Bridge and the Key Bridge. Please like, share, and subscribe. We'll be doing South Carolina back road videos. We'll be getting some 360-degree videos, virtual reality videos at the Modoc Bridge and the Key Bridge. Should be some interesting stuff. So come along with us and see where we end up, how we end up doing this stuff. One of the bridges access may be closed because of high water, but we'll find out here shortly, or about an hour and a half anyway. We'll stay on South Carolina 24 about 9 miles. And turn right on South Carolina 28. We're recording this with the Google Pixel 9 Pro Plus. We just upload stuff straight. We don't try to process or edit this stuff on this phone. That's what we're doing on all the phones now. We're just uploading them. Looks like it's going to be a good video. Nice day. It is probably mid-30s going to 50. We may have to stop along the way and check out some of these sites on the way. Said about an hour and 40 minutes, but the way we drive, it's liable to be 3.5, 4 hours before we get there. And that's just north of Augusta for your reference point, if you want to look at it on the map and see where we're headed. Modoc and the Key Bridge. '55 Chevrolet. 2-door hardtop, nice. This will be Lake Hartwell. We got some pictures and videos of a great horned owl yesterday, but I don't think they're very good. It was way up in the top of a pine tree. Crow birds had been attacking them, been attacking the chicks. Saw at least 2 chicks. Don't know if there were any more or not. I have no idea if we have this video already yet or not, but this will be a scenic South Carolina video. Nice drive. There, I suspect we will be heading back to Athens this afternoon, but I don't know that for sure. We could head south. We have a lot to do. And the 360 video, I'm going to try to get my girl to show us how to edit it on the pad, where we can upload it straight from the pad and not have to upload it from the computer. We'll see if we can figure that out. It'll be something new for us to learn. Rough roads are not very good for phone camera mounts. Image stabilization in the phones just isn't as good as the Osmo or the other action video action cameras. our girl says we're an hour and 33 minutes away. And we're going almost right into the sun, but the sun's pretty high in the sky, so this looks like it's going to be an okay video. I usually try to video with the sun behind us if we can, but it seems like almost everywhere we go we're facing the sun for some reason. Looks like we're coming into a city, but I haven't seen any city limit signs or anything, and I can't tell you anything like I can down around Georgia and Atlanta. I don't know this area. We're just learning together, exploring together. These roads definitely need some work, that's for sure. This drive looks sort of familiar, but I just don't know if we've been here or not. It seems like we probably have. Seems like we've been here and we turned right before. Yeah, there's an Ingalls. I think we've been here and we turned right heading south before. I know we have been here anyway. We still got 4.5 miles to go before we turn right on, what was it, South Carolina 28. Yeah, Google has been messing with us with Gemini. Gemini hasn't generated videos for us before, 8-second clips or whatever. And now Google has moved that behind the paid subscription plan with the latest update, March or February, whenever, the 26th, 16th, whenever the last update was. And February 26th. They give you a bait and switch. Give you a little bit, then hook you. Adobe's doing it too now with whatever that Firefly or whatever they're doing, but I haven't even tried it. I'm not messing with it. And I have no intentions of subscribing to Google Gemini. If anything, that alienates me, pushes me away. I don't like being treated that way. I don't like being not appreciated. I don't make a lot on my YouTube channel, but when I'm making videos that I'm buying, you know, all the equipment, spending the time editing and everything else, and they're making money on the stuff, and they want to charge me for the tools, it's like hiring a mechanic or hiring somebody and charging them for the tools that they use to do the work. I don't take that very good. If they're going to make money on my stuff, they need to provide me the tool to do it with. We'll be uploading these from the phone if we can, if we have the good enough connection. South Carolina, the areas we're going to are going to be like a lot of Georgia. You're not going to have a very good connection. G right now, but I think where we're going, it'll be north of Augusta. I don't know what kind of connection we'll have. I'd like to do something live, but I don't know that we're going to have connections. Or fast enough connection. Boy, helping Tony on the fence up there yesterday, I haven't worked that much anymore. My back's got a kink in it. Catch. Got a catch in my back. Surprised my knees don't have a catch in them. I sure do want to get back down to the Everglades. When we get to when we make the turn to South Carolina 28, we will start another video. We'll stop this one and try to start uploading it and start another video with maybe one of the other phones while this one uploads, hopefully. What I'm having to do is upload and then delete, because everything I've got is full. Almost everything I've got is full of memory. My memory is full, and I'm having to upload video and delete it. Okay, we're coming into Anderson, I guess. Anderson Regional Airport. I like Anderson. We've got some pretty good video in Anderson. We got video of US 76 from Westminster over to Clayton last Friday. We want to get US 76, and we probably have it, but I'd like to get it in one playlist all the way across to Chattanooga. We'll have it broken. We need to make another playlist for it. Well, their roads need some work. Like the City of Atlanta roads. South Georgia dirt roads are better than City of Atlanta roads. Okay, we got 1 mile till we turn on South Carolina 28. We've got to decide what camera we're going to hang on the windshield to get that. We got 2 phones charging. We got one. This one will be uploading. We may try it with this one, with the S22 Ultra. It's charging, but we might be able to use it. Trying to charge it and use it for a video heats it up. Trying to do 2 things at once. And then with it being in the sun, hanging on the windshield too. It looks like that next red light is where we're going to be turning. There should be a parking lot there where we can stop and start uploading this video and put this other phone on the mount to start videoing. Okay, let's go ahead and turn this one off. This will be South Carolina 24 to Anderson. Let's pull in here because we're going to turn to the right here. Let's pull in here and get this one uploading. So this will be a wrap. We will be going to the right here.